Hello everyone, my name is Nitesh Saplial. On behalf of Team PIP, I am presenting this demonstration. The members of Team PIP are Karthik Asukurti, Shivani Srivastav, Pankaj Kumar Sharma and Harshit. We Team PIP have created a web application named as PipOS. PipOS is CGI based web application that serves functionality of different technologies. The technologies that are added till now are Docker and Kubernetes. So let's get started with Docker first. Docker web app provides functionality of running Docker commands on web browser. Here you can see a terminal, and below terminal you can see output box. So let's get started. Let's run Docker commands. Let's see the container running in my system. There are no container running. Let's check my past containers. Here are. Let's check the images that I have. Here are the images. So basically the command are running behind the scene in the Linux OS. The command running on Linux OS output is displayed on the browser. So now let's launch a container. Here you can see container has been launched. We can check here. Here you can see container has been launched. We can also check from our system. Here you can see 21 seconds ago a container launched using the image HTTPD. Now let's stop the container. Container has been stopped. Let's check again. Here you can see. Let's confirm here. Here you can see no container running. So now let's search for images. Let me delete one image. Let me delete image HTTPD. Image has been deleted. Let me check. Now here you can see there is no image named as HTTPD. Let me download image. Here you can see image has been downloaded. Let's check. Here you can see image downloaded. Let's go to the home page. Now let's start with Kubernetes. The Kubernetes web app provides functionality of running Kubernetes command on browser, but the twist in that is now we can give the command using a natural language, like conversational language that we use to talk with each other instead of learning the whole Docker command. So let me show you a demonstration of that. Let's see the pods that I'm having right now. I'm using simple conversation language like show pods. Right now I don't have any pods. Let me ask, can you show deployment? Now right now I don't have deployment. Let's create deployment. Create. From HTTPD image. Now here you can see the deployment has been created. Let me ask show pods. Here you can see one pod. Let ask for show deployment. Now here you can see the deployment. Let's see the nodes. Let me ask him, can you show me nodes? Can you show? Here you can see the nodes Minikube. Let's describe the deployment. Here you can see. Now what else we can do is we can ask him to show services. Let us show service. Right now we have one service in Kubernetes. Let's create a service. You can see service has been created. Let's again ask show service. Here you can see one service name web is created. Now delete. Let's delete the service. Delete service. Service has been deleted. Let's check again. Here you can see it is deleted. Now what we can do, we can scale the deployment. We can create a replica of it. So what we can do is we can ask create 5 replica of deployment. You can see deployment has been scaled. Let's check. Here you can see 5 pods have been launched, scaled. Here you can see out of 5, 4 is ready. Now you can see all 5 pods are ready. So let's now delete all the resources. What I can ask is delete all resources. This will take a little time to delete all resources. Here you can see all pods have been deleted. Let me check again. I will ask him show pods. Here you can see it is in its terminating state. Show deployment. Now deployment has been deleted. So that's how you can run a Kubernetes command without knowing the Kubernetes commands, like whole command. Only you can give it your demand, like in a conversation language, like you chit chat with your friend. In the same way, you can ask him, you want this, and Kubernetes will do for you. So that was pip OS for you. Many more update will be coming soon. So that's it. Thank you.